know if I can hang on to this. Don't feel sturdy enough.
It probably isn't.
Yeah, we're gonna die. Watch the motherfucker take off as I'm getting out.
Oh my god, it's been a minute for you guys. I haven't posted a video in a good minute. Damn, I don't know. This might be my last video this month. I know I haven't posted any videos this month. And we're gonna be doing up the Christmas tree that is in the back of the truck that you guys will see. We got Liam with us. So we're gonna see how festive I can really get. I've had the Christmas tree in the bed about 2 weeks now, I'd say. I'm having a good time with this Christmas thing. So I also got a, if you guys are following my Snapchat, Instagram, or Facebook, I think just my Snapchat is what I posted it on, but I do have a mask that has the Santa beard on it. It's gonna be a good one. And no, still not getting a haircut for those, for the haters that for some reason are infatuated with my hair. Y'all weird. Y'all better get a hobby. Gonna see how these guys here at Wendy's appreciate the beard. So I had a couple people mad. I float my NV 5600 transmission. I had something to say about that. You know, this transmission's got almost 463,000 miles on it. And look at that, float. It's still kicking. So I'm just gonna keep floating it, and I guess it hurts people's feelings, I don't know. Clutch for second gear, and then no clutch, no clutch, no clutch, and then we downshift the same way. Perfect shifting. All right, so this is kind of a clusterfuck, but so we got an inverter from Depot. It's not like anything good. I tried plugging it in here and it works until you plug it into the Christmas lights. So here's kind of the setup we got going. I got my 12-volt battery starter thing, and then I have the clamps on here. And then I have the extension cord going out the back window to the lights. So we'll see if that gets us in trouble. But I also got a topper for it, so I'm gonna throw this thing on now. All right, so we're gonna try to redo that little setup there, because apparently the jump pack that I haven't been charging in forever is kind of dead. So I'm gonna hook this straight up to the battery like I did with the last one. And then I'm gonna run the extension cord, which is long enough all the way up to the front. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna chop this off, just like that. Void the warranty, any sort of kind of warranty that there is. Let's see, hopefully this works. All this effort for Christmas lights. All of this effort. Now, I'm gonna take this up to the front of the truck. Hopefully, you know what, I'm just gonna shut the truck off. All right, so I was right. I'm gonna take my little jump pack here. I'm assuming, I think that's an 11. So I'm gonna take that off, and here we go. All right, so that worked perfectly fine. Now I'm gonna try to take this and put it through the hole down there. All right, yeah, now we have Christmas lights. So we'll see how long that lasts. All right, well, I don't have any car parts to shove up here, but there we go. There we go. Oh, man. I don't know how that looks on the camera, but I'll take it. Now we just need some more ornaments. right, so for when we start it, I did put a switch in there, so I could turn it on and off. Mind you, this is temporary, but there you go. We have lights. I should add more to it. I'm gonna try to. Hey guys, so it's the Great Blizzard of 2020. All right, we got her cleaned off for the most part, especially the top up here. So I don't know what's going on with the GoPro. Hopefully it still continues working. I think it's working. But yeah, so I gotta make a couple errands, go to Home Depot. This is saying 30, so that'll probably update when we start driving, but let's see how these mud tires do in this weather. 'Cause right here it seems like I have traction. Never mind, we don't have traction. There's not very much on the ground, but it's just enough to kind of make it, you know, that there is some traction issues. We were able to stop fine, so I don't know. I mean, everybody says, oh, they're going to be so bad in the snow. This doesn't seem bad. We were doing 40 just fine. So then we did have decent stopping power when I had to stop at the stoplight, so I'll take it. I love driving in this stuff. I don't care if I'm loaded, empty, any of it. I love it. Makes the drive nice and peaceful. Right here looks good. Got the old high idle switch, putting in some work. Look at that. So I'm gonna let this thing run while I go in there. I gotta get a couple of things and whatnot. So enjoying my snow day. Tell me what y'all think. Do y'all like the Santa mask, or do you think it's overkill? Because I don't know, I kind of like it. I haven't seen any other ones. There, we got the little stuff we needed. That mask, if you're wearing a Bluetooth, that shit hurts. This Bluetooth's like digging into my ear. So yeah, so just got a new one of these so I can actually clean the truck off, because I have no idea what happened to mine. This one seems to be a little higher quality anyway, but let's start hitting the road. All right, just for shits and giggles, I kind of want to kick her sideways. All right, well, that was fun. It's kind of nice having a truck. You got people like that from North Carolina. And there's me in the truck. Just nice. I'm having a good day, if you guys can't tell. I kind of want to see how the highway is. I'm gonna take the damn highway. I think I'm in third. Oh hell, this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad at all. Oh, we're up on the median. By the way, I am not using four-wheel drive for like any of this. So I took it out of four-wheel drive like halfway through the town. I just kind of felt it unnecessary. For accelerating from a dead stop, I can see needing it, but like for this, I think I'm good. Merge on now. Now I'm going to use four-wheel drive just to be safe, but like I really didn't find it necessary anywhere else. But yeah, this just kind of seems, there's a lot of traffic. It's days like these I wish I had a filmer, because I've been like fucking around in every parking lot and every road there's no cars. This thing's been at like at least 45 degrees of angle, so I'm having fun. I love this weather. And I don't even care if I've had to drive in it, because I used to drive 700 miles a day. I didn't care if it was snowing or not. I didn't care if I broke down or any of that. I did all of that. Not one single complaint. I love this weather. I do. I love it. I would drive in this 24/7 all year round. Absolutely love the snow. I don't care what I'm pulling. SUV guy up there wanted in front of me so bad. Now we're doing 30 miles an hour, and now we're slowing down. Okay, cool. Jesus. You know, sometimes I don't understand the stupidity in people, but oh well. Okay, so just to prove a point, I'm kind of bored. Watch this. I don't know how well this is coming up in the camera, but just letting her eat the whole way up. 48 mile an hour. Oh yeah, well, there we go. Highway's not even plowed. I'm gonna start filming now, I guess. Oh yeah, I got the GoPro out. I'm in two-wheel drive still, and we're doing 45 miles an hour just fine. All right, well, we're here. Brandon's over there. I'm gonna get like more of the windshield cleared off because we don't have work tonight. Got more GoPro batteries charging. So we'll see how tonight goes. I'm gonna try to keep as much heat in this bitch as possible because, well, it is kind of cold outside, so. All right, so we got the truck pretty much cleared off to where it needs to be for the most part, all the ice chunks. You can see exactly how much snow we got. Like, that's insane. I think from the weight, we might actually end up squatting a little bit, so I'm gonna end up putting some air in the bags. I think that LED's going out. Or is that normal? No, that's what it's supposed to look like. I have to order another LED. That sucks. Is what it is. So, oh man, it's cold out there. All right. Hell yeah. I just put new windshield wipers on this thing, and these things suck. They're like leaving streaks, so if you guys know what kind of windshield wipers I should get to replace them, let me know. All right, well, we're following them out. It's getting a little worse up here, but I mean, it's still moving. This is like a worst case scenario because I don't think I've driven in anything like this bad in a while. It's still fine. We got a plow truck behind us. I'm getting a little close here. I'm gonna back off. guess we put them U-bolts on tight enough because the axle hasn't fallen out yet. Well, my axle hasn't fallen out yet. Yours might have. It's weird. Everything works tonight. Oh shit, better turn the defroster back on. What the hell fell off? Oh my. Show that to the camera. What? Hell yeah. Oh man. Ripping her. This dude's got balls. Yeah! It's still coming down pretty good. It's pretty quiet.
Yeah. Sounds like a vacuum cleaner.
Alright, I think that's going to be about it for this. All-wheel drive BMW diesel. Needs an exhaust for it. Doing pretty decent. Yeah, that, I don't know.
If I can hang.
Oh yeah, brother.
I don't know if I can hang on to this. It don't feel sturdy enough.
It probably isn't.
Yeah, we're gonna die.
Don't go over 50.
I'm putting my knees right.
Merry Christmas.
Ready?
Yeah. Get at it, boy. Get this 4-cylinder cranking. Come on, Sarah, get after it.
You ready?
Yeah. Motherfucker, I was born ready. This is probably about the dumbest thing I've done in a while. Jesus Christ, this is gonna be bumpy. Yeah, it is. It's fucking back down. Should've put a helmet on. This is better than going to the fair.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go again?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, we stay planning, buddy.
If you want to go over to the parking lot that's uncut.
No, we're good.
Alrighty. Watch the motherfucker take off as I'm getting out.
So did you enjoy that? Let me make sure.
Yeah.
Fucking snot sickles hanging.
There, I got the turbo to do what I wanted it to do, so.
Yeah, it made like 4.5.
Damn, we missed it, but she just got all of us soaked.
Oh, nice spray, guys.
Yeah, you got me pretty good.
Yeah.
You got like within a foot of his car. I was like, damn, he backed up real quick. Oh man.
Fun. Safe travels.
Absolutely.
Hey man, it's nice meeting you. I'll have him send you the link to this.
But go follow him, Beers and Gears. I'll have to leave a link below because he spelled it weird, the bastard. But other than that, this is kind of where he sat. Crazy. So, other than that, go follow him. Now guys, I mean, I hope you enjoyed that little bit. It's a little crazy out here right now, you know. I mean, the cars are making it through just fine, it looks like, but it's gonna make a good vlog, I hope. Hopefully we got some good footage for you guys. Well, I didn't film it because I was on the phone, but they have like one plowed lane here and the rest is just snow. So it looked like there was about 6 inches of snow on the ground that I was driving through on the pike. And then it would go from like a lot of snow to plowed, and like the lanes were uneven. So it's like you'd hit the snow, you'd kick a little sideways in 4-wheel, and then the snow would go away. You'd go from all of the snow to none of the snow, and then it would kick again. I don't know, it's not too bad. I'm enjoying it. So